Facial flicking elevation technique. Thumb stays upward, forefingers lightly flick the cheeks for lifting. When flicking the face with fingers, it's the fastest of all movements. Each finger must flick. After flicking, glide to one side. Alternate flicking cheeks with both hands. Glide to the other side. Soothe gently. Okay, the same movement. After flicking, soothe the chin. The next movement is the facial 5-line lifting. The first line lifts the jawline. The second line lifts the cheeks. The third line is the C-shape lift. Okay, the fourth line lifts our eyes. The fifth line lean backward. Hands must be vertical and straight. Okay, after straightening, left hand glides to the right to connect this side. The movements on both sides are the same. Do the C-shape lift around the eyes. Hands must be steady while gliding. The fifth line lifts the forehead. Share a few classic neck relaxation techniques. Using both hands' middle fingers, tap the trapezius muscle. Use the knuckles to press along both sides of the neck for relaxation. Employ all 5 fingers to knead the trapezius muscle for relaxation. Thumb strokes on the Dazui acupoint to relax. Half clench your fists to relax the trapezius on both sides. Next, push along the 3 lines of the trapezius muscle. The first line starts from the Fengfu acupoint and pushes towards the shoulder. The second line starts from the Fengqi acupoint and pushes towards the shoulder. The third line is located 3 centimeters beside the Dazui acupoint. You can use both thumbs together to push. Be careful to avoid the shoulder bones while pushing. Repeat each action 10 times.
Five major techniques for back relaxation. First step, push the central du meridian, pushing to the waist, being careful not to apply too much pressure to the spine. Second step, push the bladder meridian on the inner side of the back. Third step, with one hand, make a fist and push the bladder meridian on the outer side. Fourth step, push the scapulae on both the left and right sides. Fifth step, push the trapezius muscles on both the left and right sides, then use your knuckles for reinforcement. Finally, make a fist and rub the entire back until it is warm. Learn it quickly and try it on your family. Unblocking techniques for the 3 meridians of the arm. Step 1. Straight push the middle pericardium meridian with your thumb pad. Step 2. Point knead the heart meridian and lung meridian on both sides with finger pads. Step 3. Alternately push horizontally in a Z shape with both hands. Step 4. Push the entire arm with a single clenched fist. After pushing one side, push the other side. Step 5. Knead the sides of the arm in circles with finger knuckles. Step 6. Strengthen the push on the entire arm with both clenched fists.
Leg essential oil massage technique. First, we start by spreading the oil, applying the massage oil evenly over the legs. Step 1. Push straight along the central bladder meridian. Push up to the Chengshan acupoint and press knead. Push up to the Weichong acupoint and press knead. Be mindful of the pressure control. Push up to the thigh area, soothe and return. Step 2. Push both legs outward. Push from the inner liver meridian to the outer gallbladder meridian. When reaching the popliteal fossa, press knead. Be mindful of the pressure control here. Soothe and return. Step 3. Use the web of your hand to grasp the entire calf muscle, lifting upward. When reaching the popliteal fossa, press knead. Be mindful of the pressure control. Soothe and return. Step 4. Make a fist and kneel push along the entire leg. Push up to the popliteal fossa. Be mindful of the pressure control. Soothe and return. Step 5. Perform horizontal outward spreading from the inner side. Knead the entire calf muscle. When reaching the popliteal fossa, press knead. Be mindful of the pressure control. Soothe and return. Finally, tap the entire leg, allowing the leg muscles to relax more fully. Soothe and finish.
Did you know your feet can transform your health? Foot reflexology targets zones linked to key organs like the heart, liver, and kidneys. Massaging these zones boosts circulation, supports detox, and improves digestion. Feeling stressed? Reflexology calms your nerves and enhances sleep. Tired feet? It relieves pain and restores flexibility. This isn't just about relaxation, it harmonizes your entire body. Just 10 minutes a day can make a difference. Try it and feel the change. Did you know your feet hold the key to better health? Massaging reflex zones on the top and sides of your feet boosts circulation, relaxes muscles, and relieves tension in your neck and shoulders. It also soothes eye strain, improves hearing, and enhances digestion. For joint pain, focus on the inner and outer sides to ease stiffness and boost flexibility. Just a few minutes can leave you feeling relaxed and recharged.